Yeah. It's a lot harder now, huh? Just careful in the alley. Remember to check for cars, Joe. Joe, you're going fast, then. What's up with that? Alright, go. No cars, go. It's a lot harder, huh, Joe? But once you get pedaling, then it goes fast. Look how fast you're going. You want to go straight or turn? Huh? Let's go this way. This is nice and... I don't think it's right. Go slow. Look at me.
Yeah, it is. You guys want to get run over by me?
No, we don't.
Then don't go in front of me.
What?
Don't go in front of me.
He's trying to get out of your way, Joe. Stay off the grass.
No. It's still bothering me.
Suckers, I'm taking a shortcut. Look what he dropped. Oh, no, let me get it. No, I got it. Let me get Batman. Why'd you bring Batman for? Hey. Hey. Why'd you bring Batman for, Joe? I can't hold Batman. Hey, out of the way. Sucker.
Hey, Andy, don't get in front of me. Sucker. This is my cheating shortcut.
I'm gonna go straight, sucker. I'm going to Saint Rene. See ya, Andy. Ready, Andy? You want me to hold it?
No.
I got it.
Don't me.
You can drop him again.
Then, that's what I wanted to.
Hey. Let's see who gets to the end of the block first. Oh shoot! Come on. Is that all you got, Andy? This is a bumpy. Oh shit!